Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. When you entered too many times wrong password, Windows could prevent you from logging in, and you will see the referenced account is currently locked out and may not be logged on to message on the login screen. So, how to fix this? If you know the password, just wait about 30 minutes and retry. But what about you forgot your password? How to get into your computer when locked out? Try PassFab 4-Win Key to remove your login password. Get the software from PassFab official website. Run it on an accessible computer. Insert a USB to create a bootable disk. Select it. And click Next to burn. Once done, insert the USB to your locked computer. Restart. Press F12 to open boot options. Boot from the USB. Choose your Windows operating system, click Next. Select your locked account. Check Remove Account Password. Click Next. Once password has been removed, reboot the computer. Then you can log into your account without password. If the message still exists, wait for a little while and you can sign in.